Boom bang! From your device, you know it's a unique one, aromatic, realistic TV. Anyway, today, my viewers and subscribers, the Andrew Wellness Administration say unemployment has been at the lowest in the history of Jamaica, and it sit at 3.5%. So what they are trying to tell us is that more Jamaican is working right now. So the last poll what Dan Anderson put out, me see the Labour right them take it and them a run with it. So Labour right is good for job and Labour right is the best to, provide job for the country. But stop for a second. Take a time out and take a deep breath and ask yourself, what are these caliber kind of jobs? Ask yourself, what are the calibers of these jobs that they are bragging about? That is it, Because what I want you to take to consideration is that if our economy is at the lowest at all time where job is concerned, at a 3.5%, then why is it the Jamaican economy is in a recession? Take rocket scientists to figure out them things, You don't have to be a genius. You don't have to be the greatest scholar in the room, You don't have to have 10 and 15 subjects. You don't have to have degree and master. Common sense. If our unemployment is at an all-time low, then why for 3 consecutive quarters the Jamaican economy failed to grow? It is simple. So, on my screen is the little card from Dan Anderson. And it's when you're thinking about, talk about jobs and who is better for jobs, then, well, if you think who is better for job, the Jamaica Labour Party, and they are at 35%. And then they say the PMP is at 32%. So, it is telling me, if I supposed to go by the Jamaica Labour Party, that the unemployment rate has been declining more and more and more. So if that's the case, why the country is not producing? Let's ask these simple questions. We are reason today, comrade, because as me tell you before, no one of the time forget boomy, jittery, and panic. We not in a that. We only come to set the record straight. Jamaica Labour Party, they try run with something. And if me go run with a job ratings, what they give a job of a clean gutter and gully and drain. Jobs what for the wash car. You understand what I say? Jobs what for the sweep up roadside. Jobs what for the do crash program work. Go sell phone card, bag juice, banana chips, name it. Call center. If you have to boast about those kind of job, you have to take for yourself. You must take for yourself. So anyway, Jamaica, although we the Jamaican people see where more and more people are working, but at the same time, the country is producing less. The unemployment rate at 3.5% is telling us that more and more people are working. But at the end of the day, the country is producing less. This makes some sense now, my viewers and subscribers. Make them think it make some sense, man. If more people they work, then why are we producing less? You don't get the drift. So my viewers and subscribers, what this Andrew Wellness Administration is doing is putting people into non-progressive employment. That's what they are doing. These employment that them are talk about are non-progressive. At this one, you know, people cannot find food on a day-by-day basis and are living below a certain consumption level. Them not have it, them can't find it. And to mouth day by day. And that's the thing there in Jamaica. So when you hear them out there and run up and down and they brag and they boast, look at the caliber jobs, Almighty God. Go clean gutter and drain. Prostitution. And them a brag about in Jamaica. When we take time to go sweep up road, go chop some bush, go clean some gutter and some drain, turn up in a Mr. Chin supermarket for 12 and 13 hours. They weigh out rice and flour and sugar. And them proud about, you know. Those are the things that them proud about, you know. You know, see, it's a set and a load on people them and have no ambition. Think we and them are the same thing. Eh? All fat them, man. Anyway, Jamaica, listen to the statistic. More than 40% of Jamaican can't find food on a day-by-day basis. More than 40% of Jamaican cannot find food on a day-by-day basis and are living below the consumption level. Cash pot. And them they liberate them a boast about, you know. Man, I feel go wait for Mr. Chin cash pot, you know. We play, you know. We know if in school, in youth, go to school tomorrow, you know. Or in go put on in pot later, you know. For when the youth then come from school and get something to eat, you know. Cash pot, you know. 3-4 times a day, man, have to out there, you know. Because if the cash pot, they not playing and, you know, win, you know. You know where the food they come from for provide tonight for picnic them, you know. And at this labor right them a boss pan, you know. So then good for jobs, you know. Right. Jamaica, at this labor right them a boss but, you know. So them good for create job. Just think about it, my viewers and subscribers. Go wash car. The wash car window. You go and clean gully and gutter and drain. Man out there they sell bag juice, banana chips, phone card. You stand up in a Mr. Chin supermarket for 12 and 13 and 14 hours. You go in a call center. You they work $2 and $3 an hour. Even in the tourism industry right now, you know better. Enough people in the tourism industry, they make 30,000, 20,000 a fortnight. And I then think of the Jamaica Labour Party, then feel proud and boast. Run out. Oh, we are the best things for jobs on Jesus Christ, man. Go have a seat, man. Go take a back seat. I always hear that the labor right them stupid. But every day you come out, come prove yourself more and more. What kind of praises? What praises are you people taking? From cleaning gully? Some crash program? And that are the thing in Jamaica. The lowest unemployment in the history of Jamaica. More people are working than said under the Jamaica Labour Party and Wellness. But look on the job them. Everybody of you out there now they hustling. A pay hustling they go on. Because cost of living is so high. You understand? Your expense is more than your income. So it is telling you the Jamaican people are in problem. So when you're out there and they run up and down and they talk about good for what? Look on the caliber jobs. So people have to just say work so like a animal now. Because even the people who have them savings, them have to dip into them savings. Because the salary what them a get, it can't cover them monthly expense. The salary that what them a get now, it can't cover them monthly expense. So you're saving what you won't have before, it you gone back in. So when you check a stop and you look and you see your savings you run down, you're not going to have nothing for rainy day. So you have to run gone out there now, go and do the little ball work like everybody. So everybody they work now, but the country is not benefiting from these non-productive employment jobs them what them say out there. That is what the Andrew Holness administration have to offer. Non-progressive employment that the country now benefit from. And that is the reason why the Jamaican economy right now is in a recession. 4 consecutive quarters without a growth. We are in a recession. No follow the lunatic labor right them, a baboon them. Anything what Andrew Holness tell them that them believe because they don't have a mind of their own. Them can't think beyond or see beyond what Andrew Holness say. A sentimental donkey them. No donkey too good for them because donkey can have Kobe. You understand? Yes, man. Think about it. Unemployment is at the lowest in the history of Jamaica. But it's the first in the history of Jamaica our economy failed to grow 4 consecutive quarters. And because of that, the Jamaican economy is now in a recession. So now come tell me about Jamaica Labour Party better on jobs. Because the jobs boy, then say when you fool, you know. When you fool, you fool. Why the labor right there? Fool them. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think in the comment section. You know much o'clock, one Aromatic Realistic TV. Follow the movement over YouTube. When we shoot a bullseye, because we are just here to open the eyes of our people, and just remove the mind, from mental slavery, Because guess what? We have a decision to make, Anytime Andrew Holness call it, and we walk in at the polling station there, I just one thing, and I put the X beside the head. Because it's all about rescue Jamaica and protect the next generation. Until then, the signature word, the Matic telling them, and it never change, it remain. Art of love. And the man will chat again. Peace. Man is out.